Hello, my name is Peter, author of the responsive menu plugin for WordPress, and today we're going to learn about how to exclude the plugin on specific pages. To do this, it's very simple. You just navigate to the plugin settings inside your WordPress admin, go to the Advanced tab, and then at the top here you'll see a section labeled Excluded Pages. If you click on the drop down, you will see a list of all the posts, pages and custom post types on your site, and from here you can type in your search. For example, blog post free will give me just the blog post free, about will show me about, and home will show me home. So for example, if we want to hide the plugin on the about page, we'll search for about us, click that option, and then you'll see here that it's been highlighted with a tick. Let's say we also want to hide it on a blog post. We'll do the same again for blog post free and select that. If I now save the options and go back to our website, you'll see that on the home page, if I refresh, the plugin is still showing. But if I go to the About Us page, then when the page loads, you'll see that the plugin is not here. Again, if I go to the specific blog post free page, you'll see again that it's not on this page. However, if I go to the blog post 2, then the plugin is showing. That's it. Thank you for watching.